good morning. Welcome to Uma Hari Kitchen. So this video is gonna be in English. My husband has been requesting me to have a video in English. So I thought let me have a video in English. So today I'm just gonna show you something. So what is that? And it was a surprise gift for me. My birthday is nearing, so he had got that gift for me. Come, let's see what he has got for us. Got for me and got for us. Mr. Hari.
Yes.
Morning.
Morning.
So this video is gonna be in English as you requested.
Yes.
Okay. And today's video we are going to cover about the recent gadget which you got it for me.
Yes.
Okay, and I just want some explanation about it.
Okay. So this is DJI Gimbal Osmo Mop 3. So this is basically used to do vlog. And it has lots and lots of options. You can see here. Can you just
I'm coming. Guys, please don't mind my table. It's so dirty. I had chocolates yesterday, so the chocolate covers are there, my medicine covers are there, my daily entry notebooks and just brush up notebooks are there. So please don't mind me showing this beautiful product in my convenient table.
Yeah, it's very useful to take vlog. Now I have put a tripod here. You can see a tripod which comes
just
attached.
a minute. I'm just holding it.
So it has a record button. It has another option. Now it's showing horizontal, right?
Yeah.
So if I double click it, it will automatically.
Wow, that's nice.
It automatically turns to vertical. Then again, if you double click it, it will start taking photos. It changes options, so whatever options you want to do.
Okay, either video or photos.
Yeah.
Right.
Now it's become video. One click, it will become video. One click, it will become.
So which button do you?
This
yeah.
button, this button.
Okay.
So, and this is the record button. The moment I click this, now the video will get recorded. See, it's getting recorded now.
Hey. Hi.
Wow. So and it has also autofocus, which we need to set now. We just so when we move your head here and there, the gimbal also moves along.
Hey, that's nice actually. And I think so even our Shriram has this, right?
Yes.
That's good. Oh, with that only he was shooting the Navratri Golu.
Yes.
Oh, that's nice actually.
And you can
that's
see the way when we speak the audio how it's getting recorded. Yeah, it has a lot of inbuilt features where you can go add music, you can do a lot of stuff. You can cut the video, edit the videos. Everything is there in their app itself. So it's very useful. So that's the reason I thought we will buy this.
Hey, that's nice actually.
Yeah.
That's
so
nice.
now what you are going to do is that you are going to sit here and talk something through the gimbal now.
Talk something.
On the gimbal.
Yes. I'm just capturing. Guys, please don't mind about my table. It's so cranky banky like that. Like me at times.
So let me stop the recording now.
Yeah.
So I just stopped it. So you don't want to touch your phone for any cause.
Okay.
It's all switches are here.
Oh.
You have zoom in, zoom out, zoom out buttons.
So where do I switch on this?
So this is the zoom in, zoom out button. See, I'm zooming. See
Wait. I'm capturing it.
Yeah,
okay.
So when I reduce it, now it's normal. So if you want more zoom, see 1x zoom, 4x zoom.
Oh my god.
Back to 1x zoom.
Oh, that's nice
all
actually.
Switches are there inside itself.
So
and you have a charge. It's in. It's just a.
It's a 3-pin charge.
No, it's just like
the mobile charge.
Now how you do a mobile charge? You just have to plug that cable and you have to charge.
So this part, the stand part, like the.
This is removable. Part.
Removable part.
Yeah,
okay.
If you lift it, you can make it. You take it in hand and you can hold it like this. Or if you don't want, you see that this is really big. Just you have to. You can remove this. Now it's become so handy, and you can see you can twist it.
Yeah.
You can see how it gets twisted. So whatever direction you want, it will automatically rotate. If you move your hand, it will also rotate. So the moment you start taking videos, it will focus you, and whenever you move the video, your face will remain there.
Hey, that's nice actually.
Yeah, it's good for travel vlogs. It's good for everything.
But we are sitting at home and speaking about travel.
Yeah, we will go. Don't worry.
Okay, expecting soon.
Yes. So this is how the gimbal works. So,
Hey, that's nice.
yeah, some useful stuff, and you don't want to worry whether your mobile will fall down. If you even there are motion captures, like if you run holding this, if you run, you walk, there won't be any shake in the videos. So those stuff are there. So you can see that all those stuff.
That's nice. Okay. So the phone is back to video capturing position. Yes. This video is now being recorded using. Can you show me the box?
The box?
Yeah. Hey, nice here actually. I need not search for some dabbas to keep my mobile and then start the recording. The clarity seems to be very good. Okay. Guys, I've not put any makeup for your information. It's just the oil that I use. That's the Kumkumati Thailam. So that's my skincare oil that I use every day. The gimbal that I got. So this is the product that we got. That's Osmo Mobile 3 DJI combo. Okay. So for this, they have given what and all accessories that they have shared with us. So one is that it's a main gimbal, out of which I've placed this mobile and I'm speaking in the mobile using this gimbal with note stand, nothing, like free hands. The second one is that the Osmo carrying case. Okay, so this is the carrying case that they have given. It's nice, the quality seems to be very good. And grip tripod. So the base that we have, that a fan kind of stuff, that's the tripod. So it can be attached as well as you can detach it once you are done with the video. And you have a power cable. You have a power cable with this and a storage pouch. What is this?
This is the pouch.
Also, this is the storage pouch. So we haven't opened it. So this today is the Tirupuvila.
Yeah. So just.
And wrist strap. What is that wrist strap? Okay. So you have something, a wrist strap. What is that? Yes. Okay. This is the wrist strap. So you can just put it like this. It will be in your hand, so it will not get dripped off, so it will not get fall down.
This is the pouch.
So this is the pouch.
And another very nice stuff they have given. This is for if your mobile is not holding properly in the
holder.
You can just insert this so that it gives additional grip to your phone.
Also, it's a grips.
Additional grip for your phone.
Okay. So in this itself, they have written like, if required, use the anti-slip pads to secure the mobile phone in the mobile phone holder.
But it is slipping out from your hand.
Hey, it's very, what to tell, like,
it's slippery.
Okay, so this is what, these are the accessories that they have shared with us. So this is one wrist strap. You have the anti-slip pads. They have given one pouch, nice pouch. Okay, the cloth quality is very good. The box case. The case is really very good and handy. It will be very easy for people who go on frequent travel and wanted to vlog their travel diaries. So this is really very handy. You can keep it in your handbag for shooting. You get a charging cable here, power. So you get your power cable here. And before this, we just ordered one brand. Hari, can you please let us know like what was the brand that we ordered first and it was not working properly?
The brand which we ordered was Ohem.
Ohem.
Yeah.
Okay, first we ordered Ohem and it was around 5,999.
Yeah.
And that was from Amazon. We ordered through Amazon.
Yes.
What happened is that first we tried installing it when we just kept our mobile in the mobile holder in the gimbal. Like we did not have this keypad to just go and put the required information, like some code they were asking and all those stuff. Like this was not it was not working properly. And what we did is that we requested for a replacement. So again, we just put a return and replacement. We opted for return and replacement option. So what happened, the second thing was also the same stuff. So we were not able to like give the required input using the keypad when the mobile gets fixed in the holder of the gimbal. So we faced extreme level of difficulty in handling that gimbal. So we did not have any other option apart from returning it and getting our money back. After that, we thought like, okay, let us go with the brand which Sriram is using. So we thought like we'll go for this Osmo Mobile 3 DJI Mobile 3 Osmo Mobile 3 Combo DJI. So we thought like let's go for this, and it's MRP, and this also I've ordered through Amazon, and it's Hari, how much did we pay for this? 8,999, right? So its MRP was 8,999. We did not have any offer and all, right, for this?
We had the actual price was 10,000, so we got it for 1,000 rupees less.
Okay, so the actual MRP is 10k, but we paid only 9k, so we got 1,000 rupees off. I feel rather than that Ohem, this Osmo DJI is bit comfortable in handling, and the installation process was so nice and very quick. We did not face any what to tell, like the difficulty in installing it. Mainly my husband did not get stressed because of this Ohem.
Yes.
For Ohem, he was feeling very bad, okay, like, ayo, what happened, what is this, is not getting installed, that is not getting installed. So much of questions he had in his mind. Then I said like, chuck it off. If people are not repaying us, that's fine. You just return this product. Let us not take any headache very particular at this time, because we don't have any stress buster. We are not traveling anywhere. So let's not take any problem into our head, and that should not spoil our professional as well as personal life. Then we thought like, we'll give the top. We have given it, and after that we got it. So this is what this Osmo Mobile 3 Combo, that pack is doing right now. I feel a little bit good speaking in this, because what to tell, like I need not keep on checking like mobile, ayo, it is correcta, it's falling down, it's not falling down, go search for books to keep it, go search for dabba to keep it. So all those have been like that, it has been gone. So this works very fine. Actually I wanted to do a unboxing of this, but we did not have an opportunity, because since twice we had very bad experience with Ohem, we just wanted to have a try immediately after we received this box, like how it performs and all those stuff. When compared to Ohem, I feel Osmo DJI is good. See, for us it did not work. For us, Ohem did not work. So that's what I have to tell here. I don't know how others feel. People using it might feel very good. See, for each and every product there might be a positive information as well as the negatives of the product. So it's like 50-50 here and there. So for us it did not work, but Osmo is working awesome.